welcome to the to hopefully the last installment of the LFS series. Really tired today. Oh, and I just realised I have to do the ping. I have to do the old ping. So notify video uploads. Red circle live. There we go. Oh, and we got some. Oh. Anyone knows some cool homebrew stuff? Try and install KDE Plasma on it. Good luck. Well, anyway, installing Linux on an autonomous 3D printing device. Anyway, let's not waste too much time here. Let's get the Open Mandriva virtual machine all set up. Oh, and I got my water and all. I have 2 glasses this time, so that if I run out, if one glass is empty, I still have one, so that I don't have to go back and forth to get more water. Anyway, so we have the Open Mandriva virtual machine. I'm going to close that, and we're going to connect to it. What was the IP address again? Oh, what? IPA. Okay, nice. What am I saying? What am I saying now? I install Arch Linux without Arch install. Well, yeah. So it's 192.168.112. No, wait, not 11. Flipping. No. 122.119. A. And there we go. We're in. Yep, we're all right. So we're in. Now I'm gonna have to go onto the linuxfromscratch.org website. LFS, read online, stable LFS system D, and we need to go on to building LFS in stages. And we are, where are we? We're here on the book. So the MNT LFS partition must be mounted. Alright, sounds simple enough. VDB2 MNT LFS. Sudo. It must be done as the root user with the LFS variable set for the, okay. Export LFS MNT LFS CD LFS. There we go. I watched a 23-minute video about the lore of Purple Place. Did you know that there was a pedal game for the DS? No, I did not. I'll go check that out while we're waiting. So, I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that either. There we go. So it says, well, there is. A few operations from preparing kernel file systems to entering the root environment must be done as the root user. When entering root, the LFS. Yep. So, how do I make a Python terminal emulator? Well, I don't know. Gonna have to look it up. Don't ask me, I just use Alacrity. When entering root, the LFS variable must be set. The virtual file systems must be mounted. So it says, yesterday I made an Alacrity .file. To make a Python terminal emulator, you have to make a Python terminal emulator. Banzai, yeah, I just released a Banzai video. Anyway, a few operations from preparing virtual kernel file systems to entering the root environment. Preparing virtual kernel file systems. Do I have to do any of this right now? No, I do not. Oh yeah, I do. I have to do some of this. Alright, done. 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 Entering to root. Bap. We're in. Hold on, I'm gonna mount these. Oh wait, no, I did that. I'm in. So, yep, we are done. I'm a Linux user now. I use Mint. Well, welcome to the Linux community. Install Arch on the Steam Deck if you haven't done that yet. Well, I just installed Bazite on my Steam Deck, so... So anyway, CD sources, CD bop. Also, sorry if you hear rain outside, it's really heavily raining. Or not, it's calmed down a little bit. Alright, we're like 8 minutes in, and we have make. Alright. Yeah, and also I did a little bit of off-camera, LFS is straight up coding. No, it isn't. It's straight up compiling code. So anyway, so in GCC, this here is where we left off, right here on stream, but I ran everything else here off camera. Install Bazite on the Aspire X1430, I'll try. I think I might have to do the desktop edition of Bazite, but I will try it on the Aspire X1430. I don't even know what's on it right now. I haven't used that computer in so long. Hello 486 Tech, welcome to the stream. So we did for lib this. BAP. If desired, install the ncurses documentation. Well, I don't desire the ncurses documentation, so I'm not going to do the documentation. Yeah, exactly. You're getting pinned because you're getting pinned. Peggle now. Well, I don't think, because this does not take too long. Yeah, see, there you go, it's done. So we're not doing Peggle right now. And we have to Is this the last one? Hopefully. Me want Peggle stream. That's for later. I will give you Peggle, but that's for later. Because right now we're only dealing with 0.3 SBU, so I can literally just wait for this to do the thing. Try installing SimCity 4 on a Windows XP Virtual. Peak Peggle gameplay when, well, watch a Peggle stream. Well, this stream will about to become a Peggle stream if this takes too long. And it didn't take too long, so there's that. Now we're going to be installing whatever this program is. PS that. Oh no. There we go, it's done. I also type, oh gosh, okay. Now I think this might be, make. I type it while it's, running, because with stuff like bash, it, if you run another command in a state like this when a program is not actively, looking for text input, if you just type it then press enter in a state like this, then it will just run that command after this command is done. Check. Well, now I think it's Peggle time. Steam. Let's do Peggle Nights, because why not? Now, this is what you joined the stream for. This is Peggle. So I'm going to move this over to my other monitor so that I can see the compilation, but you can see Peggle. A free weekend? No, thank you. No, thank you. Do you remember what last OS you put on that Aspire? I don't know, actually. I'm going to need to boot it up and check. I'm going to restart. Peggle! Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. It's lagging. Of course it is. Well, I am running a virtual machine on my main computer with the not. There we go. Odd bike is late. Yeah, I've noticed. Oh yeah, there we go. Peggle! I'm playing City Skylines via that weekend offer, lol. Do you think I should actually buy it? Because it's 90% off right now. I think I should buy it. Yes, Steam launched without updating. Yeah, I think either there is no update available or I'm watching with my dog. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. There we go. Steam always hang on. Live streaming. Steam always updates. Like, why is there so many updates? I have no idea what the thing's doing now. I missed the one peg I was trying to go for. It's this one. What's that? What was that browser you use? I use Florp. Not Firefox, not Opera. It's just a piece of Chinese spyware anyway. No, I use Florp. Firefox has just become too terrible for me to use. I am a little bit sick. Get better soon. Netscape. check. Okay. Alright, there we go. So I did make, then make check. Now I need to make install. Here it's the afternoon, lol. Here it's 3:15 in the afternoon. And it looks like the rain has pretty much stopped. There we go. Alright, well. What do you think the total percentage of computers using a 9x kernel? I don't know, probably less than 1. Here it's sunny for like a week. Yeah, it's been really good weather. Right there. Am I crazy or is this actually moving? Who likes Mario games? Well, me. Although I don't use Nintendo consoles apart from homebrew stuff, so the next video will be on a Nintendo console. But I'm not saying what. Me too. I'm gonna move this over here. Me too, I guess it's better devices, especially consoles, etc. Might as well drink some water while I'm at it. It's so laggy, probably because I'm compiling something. In my country, a YouTuber played games on a Burger King ordering screen. Florp is a new Firefox-based browser from Japan. No! Japanese! Japanese. Alright. What the flip? You are so... Well, not really. And also, it's just Firefox in general. I don't really like it. I guess I have to deal with it. Oh, missed. Oh my gosh, that was terrible. Missing chroma resource URL, chrome florp skin designs left on edit. What block saves chromium? My MS-DOS does not sell data to Microsoft. Yeah, it's just alright. Getting into a little bit of a rant now, but just companies selling your data. Even though you may have consented to it, or you haven't consented to it, but you consented to this when you agreed to the terms of service. It's just really cheeky. My school uses Windows 7 for signage and presentation displays. Wait, you're still using MS-DOS? No, I think Alright, so my ultimate goal of this LFS thing is to run fast fetch. I already have fast fetch on this LFS system, but I want to do it compiling fast fetch from source and running it. Biscuits, I'm late. Well, welcome on bike. We are on our chapter, I don't even know what. We are compiling, I don't even know what. There we go. My school is still using Windows 10. We use a mixture of Chrome OS and Windows 10. My school is still using Windows. Oh my gosh, yeah, they need to get upgrades or something. Oh yeah, well they can upgrade for free because, well, you need to buy Windows 10 keys. Windows 10 and 11 use the same keys, but now Windows 10 and 11 stopped accepting Windows 7 keys and 8 keys and 8.1 keys. Especially the ultimate this iPad and Catherine monitor and I enjoyed it. Oh, that's great. Well, our compilation's done of Bison, whatever it is. Don't even mind. Well, it's done, so we're gonna get out of Peggle main menu. Get out. Here we go. We don't have Chromebooks. Yeah, well, just Chromebooks in general, they're terrible. Yeah, on chapter 8.34, grep. cd /grep. And then we've got make check, make install. My school only got a TV. My school got a TV and I only saw it used once and it was only showing the Raspberry Pi desktop. Yeah, Windows 8 sucks. No, it actually doesn't suck as much as you think it does, in my opinion. I see the use case for it. What? Make. Oh, hi, 32-bit panda. Oh, what's going on here? What? Alright, my tabs, they're gone. .1 was decent. 8 that ruined the reputation of the number 8 near Windows forever. After this, y'all should play Wales server. Heaps of fun. Here, I'll put a link in. Or maybe. Well, depends on what you're talking about, really. Hi. Hang on, registered Hypercam, the Russian country ball. Alright. I am kind of stuck. I need to get... Alright, so... cd ... Do I have grep? Hold on, I'm gonna move grep to grep.old. And then we're gonna... I installed Mint on my HP stream. Alright, so... Well... Flipping. Alright, where is our... Old packages. I need grep. GMP. Grep. Is LFS good? Well, not right now, because I'm having issues. Doesn't the Chromebook Recovery bootloader allow you to use alternative bootloaders now? Play Peggle now? No, I'm busy. I'm busy. I can't do Peggle. If in developer mode, he just played Peggle. Alright, time to do some research on... Oh gosh, we have a few. Oh, whoa. Oh, and I just realised it's World Water Day. Literally just realised it's World Water Day. drink up. Alright. Start turn that down. Alright. Ding. Here we go. Windows stinky. Yeah. Yeah, Windows is stinky. I don't know how to Linux. Well, me neither, basically. I'd be deleted message. What did he delete? Oh gosh, okay, Ubuntu. C++. Oh. Right, well, let's go on to... Okay, well, I think I missed it, so... How do I use tar command again? I'm gonna look it up. Completely forgot how to use the tar command. Alright, well, let's do this. Give it a that. Let's configure it. I would pay any amount of money to go to Microsoft Binbos when it was still my hearing. I want a time machine only so I can visit Microsoft Bimbos. Alright, well, let's see if this works. Make. I am kind of scared this is not going to work. Oh my gosh, it worked. It worked. It worked, it worked, it worked. Okay, sorry about the wait. I just forgot how to use the tar command. Okay, the rain has completely stopped now. Right, there we go. Make install. Oh my gosh, what happened to my voice? And then cd./bash. Alright, bash. Here we go. Bash, 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 bash. Yeah, hold on. I'm going to use this cleanup. Alright, just... Braindos. No, it's Bindos. It's Bindos. Bindos. I activated WinBit. Okay, yeah, something else is wrong now. It returned error. It returned a 1 exit status. Well, oh, okay. So we're gonna cd .. rm rf bash, and then we're gonna tar and then it is bash cd . Let's see if this works. I just want to enable dark mode, not blind mode. Bless you. Thank you, Alloyd. And also, welcome. Now, hopefully this does not give me an error 1. There we go. Make. Play Fortnite. Okay. Also, how's YouTube Studio? I haven't checked that in a while. 968 subscribers. Thanks. Alright, wow. Alright, let's check. I know, free Windows activation, hee hee. Alright, let's chown. Play the whale tag. At least you don't have to compile NVIDIA drivers. Yeah, at least I don't have to compile NVIDIA drivers. I don't even use NVIDIA, I use an AMD thing. Oh, let's do some Peggle. Let's do some Peggle. Restart level. I might play the whale tag. Yeah. Well, I have a website that just like HTML file that does this, but I can only, but it doesn't fit my requirements for playing whale tag BGM literally right now. I can set something up right now if you really want to. Well, I do know how to. You peggle too loud again. Oh my. Peggle's too loud. Then I'm going to turn down the... I'm going to turn up my microphone volume. Maybe a little bit more because that's a little bit too quiet. Alright, there we go. And then we go -6 to get a good... So how's my audio levels now? How's my audio levels? Well, in that case, then I'm gonna lower my microphone volume ever so slightly. There we go. Pull that up. Oh, and it's done. So that's that done. Thank you, whoever just pinged me. Whale look. Thank you. Okay, so I did make, oh my gosh, so make install. What is this link? Nah, who here's watching on Wii? I can watch on a Wii U. Exec. User bin bash. I'm watching on a potato. I'm watching on an actual computer, but I can watch on something more weird if you really want me to. I can stream from something more weird if you want me to, but that would be terrible. Potato. Okay, moving on. cd // lib tool. There we go. And we're gonna make check, make install. And we're gonna remove a useless static directory. Alright, this is 0.6 SBU. So if some things are more than 0.5 SBU, then we're doing peggle. So we're doing peggle. Intel HD graphics 3000 bad. There we go. Yeah, I don't know what was wrong with grap and why it took me so long to fix it. There we go. Opinion on optical media. Do you agree with Bringus? Well, I have a little well, if you watch my Windows XP Christmas video, then you'll get my opinion, but I'll grab something. Okay, I'm gonna record on my phone. Gotta get the phone out. Well, you asked for it, so optical media bad. Optical media bad. Face reveal at 1K, please. Oh. Well, no, I'm not doing a face reveal anytime soon. Yeah, well, optical media can be kind of bad at times because, well, you know, it's optical media. Anyway, back to peggle. of I'm not saying physical media bad, but optical media is kind of bad. Why do you want a whale to face exactly? I don't want a face reveal just yet. There we go. Please do a face reveal. No, I'm not doing a face reveal. I always said this. Even then, look at the laptops. But don't. Yeah, no, don't. I keep getting messages from friends telling me videos. Okay, thank you, I'd like to. Timing out that person. Hey! Wait, how long did you time them out for? Do you know what? I'm actually thinking of next time I do something like this, basing it off like Arch. Because then with Arch, it doesn't have that much stuff running, so in theory, more performance. It will give more performance for compilation, so. Now, whale is actually conking. MC Live is in at hours, guys. Oh, there we go. It's done. So that's done. Oh yeah, there we go. 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 So cd /gdbm bap. We're gonna paste. Oh, whoa. Mine the craft. I actually have a server that I actually have a server. I'll show it off in a little bit, but also it's less than 0.1 SBU, so we can just wait for this to be done. Make install. There we go. It's done right now. cd /gp. There we go. Make J1 check. So oh yeah, that was easy. expat. Oh yeah. So my rule with Peggle is make. My rule with Peggle is to swag segue to whale server. Yeah, exactly. So mc.whaletear.ch. Yeah. It's running on the Think Center, if anyone's wondering. So I am self-hosting this. I'm not using a hosting provider, and I'm also not Linodifying it. Inet. Well, okay. Bye, odd bike. Bye. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Oh, and also once this is done, I'm gonna show you something. So my goal for this whole series is to boot off of the LFS media and use just run fast fetch. No, compile fast fetch from source and then run fast fetch. Oh, you're doing the... Yeah. So compile fast fetch and run fast fetch from source. Well, just for fun really, I got the binary version of fast fetch. And I put it on here. Yeah, there you go. There's your fast fetch screenshot. Or not screenshot, but it's the alphabet. Yeah, I can tell. So anyway, we have 40 views. How much watch time do I have? So far, 7.7 hours. How much watch time do I have on the Bazite video? 18.3, so it needs a little bit, it's a little bit more, but it's fine. Oh yeah, we just did make check. Go back on my live subscribe account, make install, and then move the program to the proper location. And there we go. Now it's time for LFS. LFS 668. Ugh. Copy paste fail. There we go. Joined your server. What? Wait, did you actually? Need to check. So I'm SSH into the Think Center right now, and we're just gonna. Oh yeah, we have some people. Do you play Roblox? No, I don't play Roblox anymore. Alright, well, I'm gonna... How do I join? You need a Minecraft Java edition. Do you know what? I could join a little bit later on. I'm gonna connect on another terminal. Oh yeah, we have a few people joining in. Right, close out of them. I'm not really bothered about the Minecraft server for right now. NT Whistler here. Well, welcome. Also, I can tell you're NT Whistler because yeah. So how's this going? Oh, the flip just pinged me. No, right, a kernel. No. Oh my goodness, I got chased by 3 zombies. Alright, I've been gone for nearly an hour now, and we are we've already gone through 13. My PC is angry. Okay. Also, how's the last stream done? How has the last stream? No, that's this stream. How is part 3? We have gotten 34.7. So, yeah. Alright, there we go. Test. Also, next stream I'm doing Gen 2. For anyone wondering. Oh my gosh. I just spilled a couple of drops of water all over myself. Well, anyway. We're just going to run this right now. And, well, you know what that means. Peggle time. Oh. got a free bowl, so that's there we go. Oh yeah, a little bit of a lag spike, but that's... Dig a hole. The zombies got in my hole before I blocked them. Oh my gosh, this is really laggy. At least right now, because I'm compiling. Oh my gosh. I have no idea how long this is going to take. My general peggle is if the estimated build time is over 0.5 SBU, then I'll do peggle while I wait. If not, I'll just wait it out and talk to you. How long have I been going for? Exactly an hour. Do Minecraft. Maybe. Maybe if we're on a bit of a longer, a little bit of a longer wait, then we're gonna do Minecraft instead of Peggle. If not, we'll definitely do Minecraft at the end of the stream if we have time. Also, why are you using YouTube chat to communicate? I'm just not even going to question it, to be honest. We are doing a game too, well. Oh my gosh, already? What do we have next? I'm actually curious, what happens if you put a Peggle Deluxe save file on Peggle Nights? I know how to use flippers, thank you very much. silent. That was a terrible shot. There we go. Oh my god, it's done. Alright, we'll wait for this to get in. I am recording the stream. So am I. I have a recording of pretty much everything. Alright, XML. XML. With a camera. Okay, bye, unregistered hypercam. ML parser. Prepare it. Make test. Make install. There we go. Easy. CD INT. There we go. We are flying through these. There we go. Autoconf. Autoconf. Make check. Bro, you can call me a stinky Ubuntu user. Well, you are a stinky Ubuntu user. Bro, you can call me an stinky Ubuntu user again. I'm recording the stream with a camera. Well, yeah, Ubuntu users, they don't know what they're doing. They have literally zero idea what they're doing. It's just ridiculous. And Ubuntu, Canonical, I don't really like Canonical as a company. Neither do a lot of people. Ubuntu is just slowly starting to become more hated as we speak. Ow. So how's the subscriber count? Still at 968. How's everything in here? Oh yeah, we have some new oh, we have a new member. Okay. That's it. That's all we need to check up on. Canonical made Linux closed source. Really? Well, Canonical made Ubuntu closed source. That seems... Well, Canonical made Ubuntu closed source. That seems like the thing they will do. But then what will happen to like Linux Mint, Tuxedo OS, and all the other things based on Ubuntu? Well, Linux Mint already has that figured out. LMDE exists. But they seem to have based it on Debian Stable instead of Debian SID for some reason. Yeah, Ubuntu's based on SID, so yeah, it just makes no sense why they wouldn't do that as well. Wait, did they actually Ubuntu source code? Ubuntu GitHub. Alright, Ubuntu GitHub. What is this? Just saw a Quora thread and I wanted to see. Alright, repositories. I joined your revolt or whatever it's. Did you? Let's see. Oh wait, no, that's not the right app. Revolt. Revolt. Oh yeah, there we go. Yep, you're in. So welcome to the. Z. Just Z. GNOME boxes. Why do they? Why does Ubuntu have GNOME boxes? Oh, it's a snap. Oh. Yeah, they have that because it's a snap. Well, it's taking too long, so you know what that means. Bible. I think it's actually gone to sleep. The virtual machine. So I'm going to load up Virtual Machine Manager. I'm going to bring it back up. Oh yeah, see now it's Alright, let's just do some Open Mandriva stuff. So we need power management. When inactive, do nothing. Dim automatically. Yeah, do nothing, so it's not. Can I do power management? Alright, let's go back to Peggle. I don't think their estimate of 0.4 SBU was correct. Especially because I'm doing this on a very slow computer. Okay, finally it's done. Well, let's finish this round of Peggle. Just to, you know, give the computer a break. Do you know what? Yeah, no, never mind. Hey, something that's close source is still a way to get the code from the application. You can decompile, but it's generally not really that easy. It takes years to decompile. Like complicated apps, it takes years to decompile. Alright, make install. We've done make install, so now let's move on to auto make. Alright, cd // auto make. Now let's prepare auto make. Make. Made. Alright, well we're gonna let's do that, and we're gonna go back to putting that over there, and we're just gonna load up Minecraft and fetching the Minecraft profile. Well, I'm gonna move that out of the way. Make. What? Why did it just crash? Oh. Kill. Oh wait, no, never mind. Not killing it. It's right here. Alright, well. Oh yeah, I think it's probably taking a long time due to me doing. Okay, well we have. Let's join. How's the performance gonna be? Oh my gosh, the performance is terrible. Alright, I'm turning off shaders. I am turning off shaders because this is not. Alright, people are saying stuff in chat. I'm turning off shaders because shaders disabled. And also turning my render distance down. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, we have a little bit of lag spikes, but he joined. And anyway, yeah, I joined. I'm in. So we have a little. Why is there so much iron? I don't even have coal. Oh my gosh, this is even taking forever right now. So I'm gonna lower the distance again. I'm gonna turn that down. Gonna turn that down. And I'm gonna put it in a small. I guess I have charcoal. Alright, well that is slightly better. Although there is a little bit of lag. Well, in that case. Move that. Come to our island, whale. Where are can you please give me the coordinates? Chords are. Alright, there we go. Thank you. So I'm gonna head there. Well, I am like 2,000 blocks away, so. No, even more, like. 2,500 blocks away, so. Anyway, chords. Minus 111. Oh gosh, this is gonna be really long to get to. But there are mobs, beware. Should probably grab a bed with me. Probably take a bed. Coal, finally. Yeah, we have some lag spikes here, but it's fine. I'm gonna take a bed with me just in case. Well, I do have iron, armor, and I do have some tools and stuff. I'm gonna put my axe on. There we go. I'm on a tower since I have no house. We're still doing the checks for auto make or whatever it was. Do you want to sleep or something? I am back. Well, welcome back, Oddbike. We're doing Minecraft. Some people were saying that I should do Minecraft on the stream. You on the server? Yeah, I'm on my server. Well, and also there might be a little bit of a performance hit. Well, yeah, I'm running a check in the background. So, oh gosh. I am running make check in the background in the LFS. I can't join right now. Oh, pig. Is free cam allowed? What? What is free cam? Or is it like a free camera thing? Well, there's really, I did say basic client-side mods are allowed, but, oh my gosh, I am actually probably gonna head back, because yeah, I lost my spawn point. There are no animals here, I only have rotten flesh. Oh gosh, there's an Enderman, gotta not look at it. Free on mod, custom camera present, yeah, sure, that's fine. As long as it doesn't change any part of the gameplay, then it's alright. Ow. Just gonna eat rotten flesh because I can. even though I have pork chop. Will slightly help the rotten flesh, but it's fine. Oh my. Thanks for the little boost. Also, I'm not using a mod for this. This is just, I can do this. It's really precise, but I can. I'm going to set my spawn back. So anyway, I'm going to disconnect. I'm going to close off Minecraft because yeah, you should install Optimize. Anyway, I've been live for like an hour, 20 minutes. Let's do some Peggle. Let's do more Peggle because it's a little bit of a lighter game. And yeah, I'll play on the Minecraft server a little bit later. You spawn trapped me. I'm going to continue. Oh no, yeah, I should have clicked restart because this is a terrible position to be. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is terrible. I'll try my best. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted to do. There I have no idea how long this is going to take. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is terrible. When is your next stream? I don't know. Probably next week. If I finish LFS, then next week. How far are you into the server? Oh yeah, well we are I think it's doing it in Okay, well I think I need this? Tula. I'm back. Welcome back. I'm already starting to get kind of tired. Playing Peggle and waiting and yeah. LFS is really time consuming. Oh, why did I think I had space for last time? Flower thing. That was completely and utterly useless. Bird. That woke me up a little bit. Who does Duolingo? Not me. I don't do Duolingo. Why? Because I don't do Duolingo. Just I think we're nearly done with tests. Chat's gone quiet again. I have a joke, okay? Nice. What's the best CPU architecture for Arch? Oh. What is it? Oh, I think I have an idea of what it could be. But I'm not gonna say it. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're doing Peggle while we wait for these checks to complete, which are taking way too long, it feels like. Part 3 was really heavy. Yeah, it was. You're so close to 1,000. Yeah, I know. What am I on right now, actually? That reminded me to check. Still on 968. Oh, no. I'm a sub on my alt account, thanks. I broke a screen. What, like an actual monitor screen? Oh my gosh, finally! It's finally done! Oh my gosh. Open S. A glass screen. Ah. Glass is tasty. No, fiberglass is even more tasty. What am I even saying? Okay, well, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this to do its thing. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go for like 2 minutes and I'll be right back. just gonna continue this for a little bit, and then I'll go on my, and then I'll have a snack or something, because, yeah, make Dot's pretzel twists are my go-to. Oh, they sound so good. Anyway, I'm actually just gonna make check. Alright, well, now that's doing its thing. I'm gonna actually go pretty much right now. back from my little snack break. How's the stream? Oh, great. It's time to do checks again. You know what that means? Peggle time. Okay, I need to catch up on chat first. Same here. Still, why? Okay, I gotta go again. Wonder when I will be mod here in YouTube. Why is this running so good? Oh, hello, Hang. What's taking so long? You're compiling kernel? No, I'm not compiling kernel. I am compiling. Oh, yeah, good point. Compiling the kernel will take I am not excited to compile the kernel now. Oh, didn't I already compile the kernel? Well, the longest thing to compile was GCC, and we've already done GCC. Now it's just tons of smaller stuff that we need. Oh my gosh. In fact, do we even need to do the checks? Are the checks mandatory? Or should I just skip them to save time? Here, once I beat this level of Peggle, I'll make a decision. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Water's still cold. Kind of. Oh, let's check here. Yeah, it's stuck. I'm going to cancel that and I'm just going to make install for now. I prepared Python for compilation. When did I even compile the kernel? I'm here, and the kernel, and it appears like I am not compiling the kernel, which is good. Make. Alright, well that's that cup of water. Alright, so once this finishes, Python's done. And the next thing is less than 0.1 SPU, which is good. I think I might need to do a part 5 on this. Do you think I should do a part 5? Yeah, I've got a poll in chat, which is completely dead. Should I do a part 5 if this takes too long? There we go, we have a poll on, so yeah, vote. Oh, we already have 2 votes for yes. Need to get the testing thing on the other monitor if alright then I'll leave that poll to do the poll thing. And in the meantime we'll just play Peggle. 3 balls left while I have there we go. And go. Didn't even need the pyramid for that. Alright, well I'm out of water in this cup. Well, luckily I have another one. Right, so it took me 2 hours to use 1 cup of water. Oh yeah, the good old fever level. What is going on outside? Yeah, we already compiled on GCC, which is the longest thing. So now it's just all smaller stuff. So this hopefully will not take as long to get. And also because I am doing this in a virtual machine, if I were to do this on real hardware, then this would probably take a lot less time. Alright, well we have gonna end that. Alright. How's subscriber count? 971 still. Okay. I'm only 29 away from 1,000, I just realised. Your chat is just basically dead right now. Oh, I missed. Just lost my thing. If I can do windowed Peggle, then that would be. It's a lot. If I can put Peggle in a window, then is 512 megabytes of RAM enough for basic things? Depends on what you depends on. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Depends on what you classify as basic things. Hello, user. The numbers, Windows and Linux stuff. I'm actually going to unpin the. In fact, I'm going to keep it on Peggle, and I'm going to look at my phone and do messages on my phone. Actually, I could bring out another computer and log into my YouTube account and image this SD card. Next time I do something like this, I'm going to install it on the next time I do like LFS or something, I'm going to do it on a much faster system. Also, I removed all the telemetry on Ubuntu, and now it doesn't look like Ubuntu anymore. It looks closer to Mint. Well, the fact that you're still using Ubuntu just still counts as Ubuntu. Well, it makes sense. Ubuntu has telemetry. It's Ubuntu. Creating a Google account. I want to sign into my Google account. Password. Result failure, then success. I'm gonna see if I can beat this. Well, I can, and also get my Google account password. Like Bitwarden or something on my phone so that you can't see. Unlock. There we go. Alright. It's a really hard password. Alright, check the Google Pixel. Windows? It showed up that I was logging in on Windows, but I'm not. I'm logging in on Linux. And it put it on Wales Extras. I don't want it on Wales Extras. I want it on my main channel. Alright, content. Live. View in the live control room. Alright, well, we're going to get rid of this pinned message, because, yeah, there we go. Live chat. That goes there. Wait a minute, what am I doing? Where should I even put? Alright, well, that's done. And I've been going for 2 hours now, so hopefully in around, like, half an hour, or maybe closer to an hour, I will finish LFS. If not, then I'll do a part 5. well, I'm gonna get out Peggle and bring this back here. Nope. Alright, next. No, wait, no, go back, go back. Oh, no, 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 no. There we go. Now we copy and we paste pip 3. Pip 3. Oh no. Back once again. Welcome back. I need to do Python. Not even going to bother with checks. We're remaking. Alright, well, we're going to put that there. And alright, there we go. Oh, I don't think I even installed it. There we go. There we go. Install the package. Welcome back, 486 Tech. Not a valid identifier. Well, it's if desired, so it's fine. I don't have to do that. Yeah, we are at 8.55. We finished on 8.29 last time. But that was with GCC, so with 46 SBU GCC. I have another cup of water. Might as well just drink. Do you have any bones I can have in the server? I have a couple, but I'm not really going to. I'm not really going to join Minecraft right now. There we go. And next. Yeah, Python's fun. Python's fun, especially when we go through it this quick. Kmod 34. Ninja install. There we go. Core. Core utils. Now we patch it. Now we prepare core utils for compilation. MC Live has started. We're just going to make... I might as well just use OpenMandriva just right now. Well, I mean, I am going to reinstall OpenMandriva. So yeah, we have ungoogled Chromium. Yeah, ungoogled Chromium. So yeah, we can go into my channel and we can watch this very stream. Let's watch this very stream. Warner Bros. On their way to copy strike the Minecraft live stream. Oh, come on. Come on, play the thing. Or is it, do I need to enable something? Ah, there we go. Play it. Ah, there we go. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. Something went wrong. Close HTOP. Oh no, I closed it. That's great. Well, I'm gonna need to get that back. Alright, well, we need to build LFS in stages again. Need to kill all make, pretty much. Building LFS in stages. We need to follow this. The MNT LFS partition must be mounted. I just need to enter to root. No. Oh yeah, that's not how you do. Oh. N make no process is found. CD sources core utils. Alright, well now we're back. Accidentally closed the thing. Alright, there we go. I have no idea what this is doing, but you should install. Oh yeah, that project. That project. You know the one. Not gonna say it, but the one where if you type in a wrong command, it will. So you know when you type in a wrong command, Bash will normally just correct it for you. Well. The project, when you type a command that's even remotely wrong, it will just run rmrf root. Yeah. Now I think that's just a little add-on to like Debian or something. So I can literally do that right now. Fun for the whole. Who's up? Why was timed out? Why? What? Hold on, I'm gonna have to speak to... Alright, once I'm done with this... Alright, I'll remove your timeout. Because I don't know what you did. Okay, well, I'm going to have to go, and I'm going to have to get this explained. I don't know why this is timed out. Odd Bike, you should be back. You should be able to chat again. Who timed out who for why? Oh, well, a mod timed you out because apparently of blank Linux. You know, the thing that runs RMRF? Yeah, that. I think that's why she timed you out. Brother. Anyway, look, I'm going to have to go and get this sorted. Be right back. Okay, I'm back and we got everything sorted. Check. I'm not even gonna do tests because I don't really have the time for that. I'm only gonna do tests if I really need to. Brother, I don't. It didn't say I was timed out. Weird. Well, I think, yeah, I am good. Yeah, I put you in timeout for, 10 seconds just to override your, however long she put. Because I don't know how long she put. Like, 10 minutes? I don't know. Well, you're back now. What? Oh, okay. Diff utils. There we go. Now tar xf diff utils cd diff utils. And we paste that in. Yeah, this stream is pretty... Ayo, I thought he ended the live, but he's still grinding. Yeah, this is way too early for me to end. I still have like 15-30 minutes. So how my phone? Did anyone... Oh, we have DM. We're not DM. Alright, now make. Hopefully this works this time. We're on a fresh slate. Make check. This shouldn't take too long. like 8 hours total of LFS, even more. I have done, I'm thinking of going to 3 hours if I can. Install the package. I guess I'm gonna go get specs now. Things get blurry for me after a certain distance. Yes, same really. It's not I can see stuff, but it's just words and stuff I can't read. My autocorrect changed LFS to oh, flipping autocorrect. We're not even gonna do tests. That's what I'm doing. I'm not doing tests. Just not bothered. And I need there we go. Oh, arrow 1, arrow 2. All right. Do we get options to choose between Debian and Arch when we do LFS? No, LFS is the Linux distro. I don't think you get what LFS is. Imagine. Now, hopefully this works. Bad chicken wings. I feel stupid as hell. Right, cd ... Oh my gosh, VF cd ... /graph. What? Right, page A4. In the United States, our paper size. Okay. A4. I mean, LFS might be hungry. Well, LFS eating time, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna... If I could, I would actually make LFS auto-correct to KFC, and KFC automatically correct to LFS. That would be funny. Oh my gosh, that was loud. Not even bothered with checks, to be honest. Oh, we're doing grub. Grub. Alright, let's read this. If your system has UEFI support and you wish to boot LFS with UEFI, you need to install grub with UE. By installing, you may skip this package or install this package under BLFS package. Grub for UEFI package without conflict. The BLFS. I'm going to follow this instruction then. Installation of grub. Now, if you skipped the LFS grub package as the root user, install grub and skip the remaining instructions in this section. Now, if you skipped the LFS grub package, which I have, as the root user, install grub and skip the remaining instructions. Alright, so skip this. How's my subscriber count? Oh, 972. That's kind of nice. Alright, well. Studio. Dark theme. There we go. Right, there we go. Now. Oh, okay. Should I just set up grub right now? And then, should I just set up grub right now? And then we can, and then I don't have to deal with grub later? I'm gonna see if, does it say in here what to do? Using grub to set up the boot process, there we go. And what's this Linux? Right, gzip. I think I might have to do a shorter part 5. I think I might have to. And I did say hopefully we will finish chapter 8. So we are. This is when grub rescue will scare you. And you did say hopefully grub rescue won't be involved. There we go, IP root. Part of the package. Alright, let's take a look here. We're on 972 subscribers. How do you have so many spectral arrows? Oh, I was trading with piglins. Install the package. If desired, install the documentation. No. KBD. We need to patch this. Now we need to remove. I have gained 4 subscribers from this stream, which is kind of cool. Make install. So what is this? Lib pipeline. Lib pipeline. Oh yeah, this will be easy. Make. We are making make again. I'm just going to put, we're making make again. We're making make again. Make. We're not going to test, as I don't feel we need to. If you type make love, it should say no. Oh yeah. Make. I think that's another program. No rule to make target install. Stop. Patch. Do you know what? I'm actually going to do the checks on this one. Alright, I think this stream will drag on for a little bit longer than it should do, but we're going to finish chapter 8 in this stream, and I know it. Oh. Make. No? No. I'm back. Welcome back, OS stuff. We are nearly done with the stream. We just have 14 more of these to do, which should not take that long. Alright, here we go. We're making. Oh wait, no, wait, we're not making make again. We've done make. We're still on 972. If we actually hit 1,000 in the stream, or in next week's stream, then I will be genuinely oh, we're forcing an unsafe configuration. I just joined. Are you suffering? Kind of. Not really, but kind of suffering. I have to take this away from myself. There we go. And also clean up my little area. Just gonna tidy up my little area, because it's a little bit of a mess right now. There we go. Alright, what have I just done? Alright, we forced the unsafe mode. Did you turn on keep inventory? I think I'm... If so, thank you so much. Oh yeah, I think I did. Should I keep inventory on? I think you're going to say yes to that. Tax info. Oh yeah, 0.3 SBU I can make check, make install. Oh wait, no. Configure. Make. Do you know what? I'm not even going to do checks. I'm not even going to do checks because I don't want this to take forever. Oh, we have a couple warnings. Oh, yep, there we go. Just gonna have a look through some of these. I am not gonna do Vim. No. Copy. Oh, I don't have wget. Well, in that case, gonna pull this up. We're doing nano because I just prefer nano. Nano. Besides, it will save a lot of time. Do Vim? No, I don't really like Vim. Just as a text editor, I do not really like Vim that much. Oh, there we go. So we just ran make. Done. I'm being chased by 3 hoglins. Well, kill them. Do you know what? I'm not even going to do a nano config. I'm going to go next. Up safe. Yeah, that probably saved a lot of time not doing Vim. Well, what music do you use in your videos? Well, I use music in the Whale Tech BGM folder, which contains all of this. I can send a list of all the song files, and I use get out of that. Oh yeah, here we go. Can you upload it to the Internet Archive? I don't think I can because it will probably might be copywritten. Well, it is Nintendo music, so I should be fine, but I'll consider it. Once I get everything done properly, then I'll do it. Ninja. I want to start using Vim. I know it's not that hard, but I'm good with Nano. Yes, I use Micro as my main text editor. Micro. See, I use Micro as my text editor, and it's really good. I recommend it. 9 out of 10. Piece of cannot spell. Yeah, 9 out of 10 piece of software. Alright, here we go. Oh, we actually have a little number right here, which is kinda nice. So I can actually see how long this is gonna take. Alright, well, we are a little bit over schedule here, but I would like to drag this on for slightly longer anyway, just to confirm that we will finish chapter 8. I will try it. Is it available in Arch? Yeah, you can just sudo pacman-s micro and boom, you now have Micro. It has really intuitive keyboard shortcuts, like the standard keyboard shortcuts: Control C, Control V, Control Q, and it's just a great text editor. People are saying that I should be using Helix, and Helix, I tried Helix, but it's it just looks like Micro, and the command, it's Vim-like. If you want a Vim-like text editor, but you don't want Vim, I would try how do you install Pacman Package Manager? So you install Pacman by literally just installing Arch, and boom, you now have Pacman. Oh yeah, there we go. Ninja. And we're gonna just run the test, because actually I'm not gonna run the test, I'm just gonna do that. Ninja install. Oh, there we go. Install the man pages. No. Oh, no. etc OS release. Then we put that in there. Then we make sure this is copied. Paste it in. Paste it in. Dbus. 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 D. D. Bus. Per dbus for compilation. There we go. Ninja. Alright, this is a pretty small one, so we're fine. There we go. And Ninja test. This shouldn't take that long. There we go, it's done. Ninja install. Back. ManDB. I'm gonna skip this. Proc. There we go. Not even gonna run the test. Oh, should I run the test suite? I'm gonna run the test suite. Do you know what? I'm not gonna do the test suite. Warning, running the test suite as the root user. Welcome back, unregistered hypercam, the Russian country bot. Next, we are almost done. Alright, 2.4 SBU on a spinning disk, 0.5 SBU on an SSD. It's probably going to be around 0.7 SBU, but that's going to be tests. But that's including tests, which I'm not going to do. Done. We are almost done with chapter 8, everybody. About debugging symbols. Oh my gosh, there's a lot more stuff. Oh no, if desired. About debugging symbols. Most programs and libraries are by default compiled with debugging symbols included with GCC's G option. Stripping. Let's strip out the debugging symbols. This section is optional. Just going to put it back in sources. There we go. Let's strip out some of the, whatchamacallit, debug symbol things. Oh yeah. Done. Cleaning up. Oh, I deleted fast fetch as well. We are done with chapter 8, everybody. In fact, do you know what? We could probably do chapter 9 as well. In fact, let's do a start of chapter 9. I will use system D, network D. Network device warning. UDEV normally assigns network card. Alright. In fact, do you know what? RF, etc system D, network 99 default.link. Static IP configuration. I don't want to do a static IP configuration. I just want to use DHCP. There we go. Creating the etc resolve. Into etc resolve.conf. Hi, and I'm going to go back into here. Oh, wait a minute, I could just go into nano. Right, yeah, nano. So nano /etc resolve.conf. And I'm going to pull up a new terminal and use resolve.conf on my, and just use resolve.conf on my main system. Or actually, domain, your domain name. Alright, my domain name is home. IP address will be a primary name server. Alright, sounds simple enough. Alright, and of my secondary name server, this will be configuring the system host name. So nano etc host name, and it will be Linux from scratch. Exit, yes. I don't want to. Overview of device and module handling. I have no idea what I'm just running. Managing devices. We are almost done. We're almost done. I don't want to deal with that. Isn't present at first boot. We'll assume that hardware clock is set to UTC. Oh no, I can't. I can't. Yes, there we go. No, that's fine. Configuring the Linux console. Alright, configuring the system locale. Right, there should be ENGB. I'm just going to put that in there. Nope. Nope. Input RC. Back. There we go. Just gonna do that. Oh, I can't do Q. I have no idea what I'm doing. There we go. Go. Making the LFS system bootable. Oh my gosh, we're done with chapter 9 as well. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'll do chapter 10. Should I do chapter 10 right now? Or should I save that for like a really short stream? Yeah, the end. Chapter 10. So we're going to do chapter 10. Introduction. It's time to make the LFS system bootable. Nice. Alright, so we're going to do dev VDB 2. ext4 vdb3 F-stab. Nope. Linux. We're doing the kernel. Oh, hello, I'm Cutie Pie, the video editor 2021. We are finishing up the stream now. Once we're done with this, we're finishing this up. Alright, here we go. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Ah. Oh my gosh, there we go, it's done. this is gonna. Oh, K. It's blue. It's blue. Alright, so it's in general setup. I'm gonna maximize this so that I can see and actually follow. Oh my gosh. So it's okay, let's see. Control group support. Memory. C. B. PCI ME memory technology. Alright, I exit. Yes, I wish to save my new kernel configuration. And there we go. I'm back. Hey, welcome back. We're trying to compile the kernel. It's gonna take forever. Why does Colonel Sanders like Linux? Do you know what? I'm not even going to bother. I'm not even going to bother. Alright, time to make. While it's taking forever, play Peggle. Alright, well I've been live for 3 hours now, pretty much. Pretty much when the clock in the top okay, I'm gonna move the clock over to the right hand side. Alright, I've been live for alright, when that clock hits there we go, I've been live for 3 hours. And it just ticked 3 hours on OBS. So hopefully this doesn't take too long, and hopefully I don't have to go for too much longer because I actually I'm on a little bit of time crunch. Oh my gosh, we are almost done. How big are your master copies of your stream? I don't know, actually. So far, right now, in OBS is, as an MKV, 1.3 gigabytes of a 3-hour video. And this is the stream right now. I can literally go to the end. Is, as an MKV, 1.3 gigabytes of a 3-hour video. And this is the stream right now. I can literally go there we go. So that is the stream. Gonna have to go into advanced audio properties and 1.3 gigabytes. Close out of OBS. Oops, sorry, VLC. So yeah, they're around this one. Yeah, they're around under 2 gigabytes. So is going on outside? When I record, it's like 4 gigs per 10 minutes on 1080p 60. Well, I put it on well, I don't put my OBS on like indistinguishable quality or anything. I put it on yeah, see, I put high quality medium file size. I record in Opus, and I use software encoding because I can't do hardware encoding for some reason. Yeah, if I change this, it will change my flipping. Yep, laptop's alright. We're good. So yeah, we're fine. It's just we're fine in terms of. I think we're just running make. Oh my gosh. Where did I put my phone? new subscriber. That's kind of neat. Thank you, whoever just did that. If you... Yo, I'm back. Welcome back, Weird Video Gamer. I'm actually not suffering. Yes, this is actually kind of fun. This is actually kind of fun. How's the watch time? I'm gonna do a video of installing Arch Linux via Minecraft. Okay. Don't know how you would do that though, but that's what it did. There we go. Live. Let's check my watch time because I've been on for 3 hours now. Since uploaded lifetime. Oh no, since published. 23.4 right now. Via web displays gives me a web browser, then installing no VNC, then installing. That's could be a good video idea. People like Minecraft. People like Arch. Oh no. Alright. Gotta get the laptop over here for this. See live count. Okay. Let's check here. Oh, there we go, we're back. So let's check the H-top. Oh yeah, take a look at that. Yeah, this is probably because I'm doing it in a virtual machine. What can I quit to save on resources? I'm gonna quit Steam. I am watching on an iPad. Okay, so I'm gonna run a poll right now because I am over should I stop? Start poll. Should I stop? Should I stop streaming? Should I end the stream? In fact, I'm gonna end the poll. I'm gonna word that a little bit better. I'm gonna end the poll and I'm gonna make a new poll. Should I end the stream now? Yes or no? Start poll. There we go. That's worded a little bit better. We already got a no. Alright. Oh my gosh, it's finally done. Make. I am not using a separate /boot partition. Do that. Documentation. We're done with the kernel. We're done with the kernel. Alright, using grub. Alright, well, grub rescue is involved right now. I just made grub rescue. Directory equals /boot/EFI. Bootloader ID equals Linux from scratch. Boot EFI doesn't look like an EFI part. Wait, what? Oh yeah, there we go. Grab bit config. Doesn't look like an EFI partition. Well, let's see. Is it mounted? Did I mount it? I don't think I mounted it. LSBLK. LSBLK. There we go. So it's mounted. Oh wait, no. Mounted. Now we can try this again. Bap. Error. EFI boot manager not found. Okay then, I'm gonna need to get EFI boot manager now. Alright, well, I need EFI boot manager. EFI boot manager. No? Alright, then I guess I'm just gonna try and find this. Alright, I'm gonna look in BLFS and see if I can find anything. BLFS. We go. Done that, done that. I need the EFI boot manager. EFI boot manager, there we go. Oh yeah, I need to wget from here. LFS, sources, wget, EFI boot manager. I'm also gonna get EFI var. Alright, we're gonna do EFI var. Nope. got it. And we also need pop T. Alright, so we're going to first install EFI. We're going to first install pop T and then EFI bar. Alright, this will take not long. There we go, pop T done. Then we need EFI bar. Mandoc, command not found. I don't have a mandoc. Hyphen RF, and then we tar. This is gonna fail. Yep, it failed. Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. I'm doing the literal wrong thing. Well, that makes complete sense. // There we go. There we go, I installed it. Grub. And let's see if we can find this old command. What? I am very confused. Alright, we're just gonna do a little bit of looking this up. EFI variables are not supported. Do you know what? I'm gonna use the if I boot. Is this enabled? Installation finished, no error reported. Alright then. Oh my gosh. I don't care. I do not care. The end. The end. Well done, the new LFS system is installed. Alright, just gonna run these last commands. Oh my gosh. Done. Get counted. Do you want to be counted as an LFS user? No! Alright. LFS. Log out. Then unmount the virtual file systems. There we go. You mount. Target is busy. What do you mean target is busy? Target is busy. I'm not even going to unmount this. Now reboot the system. Actually. GNU Linux. Okay. Oh, it's not working. It is not working. Ah. Yippee, congrats. Can you upload your image to archive.org? Well, it's not booting, so there's that. I'm going to need to do some troubleshooting off camera. But for now, this is the end of the stream. I dragged this on for a lot longer than I was supposed to, like by an hour. But we finished the LFS book, and now I'm going to need to do some troubleshooting. So if you enjoyed this stream, leave a like. This is the last installment in the LFS series. I will not be doing any more streams on this. So yeah, if you enjoyed the stream, leave a like. You already know what to do, and I'm going to click the end stream button. I should probably do that on OBS. Oh, come on. There we go. So yeah, I will see you on next time I upload a video. Bye.